Hi, I'm Liu. I became an IT expert for electronic shelf label system, very much connected to SAP. My biggest challenge is to adapt to the latest, newest technologies we introduce to our solutions. I'll show you one of our projects, electronic shelf labels. They enable an automatic price change and display system.
My name is Silvia Jacome, I am from Colombia and I work in the store operations domain IT. Welcome to my home office. Hola chicos, ¿cómo están?
¿Cómo se llama? Yo no lo conocía.
Curvis, like the pumpkin. We can do a really great job working from home and still achieving things. I really like to collaborate. I always try to find the time to help out. So collaboration and team spirit at ALDI, very important for us. We have found a really nice Spanish-speaking community. Ciao!
I would describe the ALDI spirit as high competence and high performance. Together we achieve stuff, we get stuff done. We adapt to the changes and we take the challenges.